Welcome to Listen and Speak English. Today we're going to read a fun story called A Day in My Life. This story is about a little girl named Anu, who will take us through her day, from waking up in the morning to bedtime. As we read, you'll learn new words and how to use them in sentences. Let's enjoy the story together and improve our English, one word at a time.
Hi, my name is Anu and I'm 5 years old. Do you want to know what a day in my life looks like? Come along, I'll show you. Every morning, when the sun peeks through my window, I hear Mommy's gentle voice saying, "Wake up, Anu. It's a beautiful day." I rub my eyes, stretch my arms, and hop out of bed, excited to start the day. My first job, brushing my teeth. I stand on my little stool in front of the sink, squeeze the sparkly toothpaste onto my tiny toothbrush, and brush until my teeth are squeaky clean. My favorite part is when I rinse my mouth with water. It makes me feel like a big girl. After brushing my teeth, I head to the kitchen, where Daddy is making breakfast. "Good morning, Daddy," I chirp as I sit down at the table. Today we're having my favorite, warm, buttery toast with jam and a glass of milk. Yummy! I finish every bite because I know breakfast is important. Once I'm done eating, it's time to get dressed for school. Mommy helps me put on my uniform, a blue dress with white socks and shiny black shoes. I love how my shoes click-clack on the floor as I walk. "You look so smart," Mommy says as she combs my hair and ties it with a pretty ribbon. With my school bag on my back, I'm ready to go. Daddy walks me to the school bus stop, and I wave goodbye to him as I climb onto the bus. At school, I learned so many fun things, like counting numbers, singing songs, and drawing pictures. My teacher, Miss Lily, always has a big smile on her face. She says I'm a good listener and a great helper. After school, the bus drops me back home, where Grandma is waiting for me with a big hug. "How was school, my little star?" she asks. I tell her all about my day while munching on the snacks she made, crispy samosas and sweet mango slices. In the afternoon, I play with my toys and sometimes watch my favorite cartoons. Grandpa often joins me, telling me stories from when he was a little boy. I love hearing about his adventures. When the sun starts to set, it's time for dinner. The whole family sits around the table, and I get to sit between Mommy and Daddy. We have delicious rice, dal, and vegetables. I'm not a big fan of veggies, but Grandma says they'll make me strong, so I eat them up. After dinner, it's bath time. I splash around in the warm water, making bubbles and pretending I'm a mermaid. Mommy wraps me in a soft towel and helps me put on my cozy pajamas. Now comes my favorite part of the day, bedtime. I snuggle under the covers, and Grandma sits beside me, ready to tell me a story. Tonight's story is about a brave little rabbit who finds his way home through a dark forest. I listen closely, my eyes getting heavier and heavier, until I drift off to sleep, dreaming of my own adventures. And that's a day in my life. Do you think tomorrow will be just as fun? I can't wait to find out.